Good morning everyone from me and my boxes. I'm going into the office today and then I'm coming back because my bed is getting delivered today. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of geometric Tetris in this apartment because my couch got sold and I'm trying to sell my bed, so I need to keep those here. But I'm gonna go meet my friend at a little cafe to get some pastries and coffee before work, and I will see you guys when we get there. In case you're wondering what normal people wear in 25-degree weather, it is all black and it is a long puffer coat. And then I'm wearing this Zara turtleneck sweater and Zara work pants. So not cute guys, just functional. Here's the moving update so far. I've got 2 of my mirrors in my closet because it's the only place they can go. I've got the new bed frame right here. It's also the slats and the headboard in my kitchen, as well as a box and my yoga mat. And then the grand finale is all my boxes in this corner. I still have 3 more boxes that I can use, and I'm gonna try and see if I can pack up a few more things. The problem is that everything that is left is like glassware and things that I really would not want to break. So I'm not sure, and like plants and stuff. So I don't know how feasible it is to try to stuff them into a box. Well, you guys, the couch is here and it was a bit of a disaster. So I've got the ottoman right here, but the downside, I put notes on top of it saying like, please don't touch this, I'm moving it tomorrow, like sorry it's in the way. I live on a floor with 3 other people, so it's not that there's a ton of people, it's just that the thought of leaving it in the hallway in my apartment building, especially with so much package theft, makes me very nervous. So it's 12 hours, and not even 12, it's like 10 hours at this point. So I'm gonna stay as late as I can up, and then I'm gonna try to sleep without like my sound machine and stuff so that I can hear anything. Thankfully the couch is really, really heavy, so the chances of someone moving it on their own are very slim. They'd have to have like a bunch of people, and even then it won't fit in my doorway, so it probably won't fit in a lot of other people's doorways either. That's kind of my hope, and then the movers will be here tomorrow at 9, so keep a good thought for me guys. I'm kind of like, control what you can control and trying not to be too stressed about it. It's moving day. I look like a marshmallow. I'm about to head to Starbucks. I'm treating myself to a matcha and a quick walk around the neighborhood just to soak it all in. Even though I won't be super far from my neighborhood, I'm still gonna miss it. So I want to take in the brownstones, the ambiance, if you will. Okay, so it snowed last night and I didn't even realize as I was going to Starbucks. It feels like 16 outside, which is accurate because it was freezing. I went to Starbucks and got the TikTok drink, which is a matcha with 2 pumps of chai. I got a hot one because 16 degrees. It's really good. Honestly though, the chai is so overpowering, as it should be. Like, it's a very heavily spiced Indian tea. So I think if I got it again, I'd probably do 1 pump of chai because I actually enjoyed the taste of matcha. It's pretty sweet, so for those of you who like having sweet drinks, I would recommend it. For me, I'm not super big on the sweet drinks, but it's definitely nice to have. And then I got a blueberry muffin, and the gal was like, oh, I made an extra oatmeal, so I'm giving that to you too. So big breakfast for me. apartment. I'm so excited. I just took a shower. It was much needed. I'm about to meet my friends for lunch because it is Chinese New Year. So we're celebrating Chinese New Year by supporting some of our local Chinese restaurants in Chinatown. I have the boxes in the hallway, but I did set up my bed over there and then my couch, and the kitchen is an absolute disaster. So we're gonna go to lunch. I have to pick up something at the Container Store. I got like a shoe rack, and then I'm gonna come back and this is gonna be my project tonight. No plans because we're busy. Wait, what is the one you're holding? Talk to me about it. What does it say?
Saying you got a lot of luck and money.
Something we could both use. Hello everyone. It's 7:50, I'm back home. My place is chaos. I did clean my couch and my mattress, so I used the new Bissell, I believe it's like Spot and Protect, something like that. I'll leave it below if you guys want to check it out. I think it did an okay job. Definitely better for spills in the moment. Professional cleaning is probably the best bet for anything that's like stuck on your couch or on your mattress. So reality of moving, things are kind of messy. Things are kind of crazy. But I got some tacos for dinner from one of my favorite taco spots in the city with some chips and guac. My oven's not working right now, and I called my super. He's off until Monday, and I'm sorry, Tuesday. And I'm kind of nervous because I have all this food, but like if I don't have an oven to cook it in, kind of hard. So we'll have this for dinner, but I definitely want to save some money after spending a stupid amount. And for your anxiety, this area, what? Also, the boxes over there. Actual chaos. All right, you guys, it is that time where I'm gonna end off the vlog. I made my bed in the back over there, and I cleaned out a lot of the boxes and trash and stuff. I also cleared a good amount off of my counters. We still have a few more things to do tomorrow, but I'm so much further than I thought I was gonna be. And that's probably why I'm so sore today. I feel it in my back and my legs. It's a sign I'm getting old, but be sure to subscribe down below. I definitely have more moving content for you guys tomorrow. I wanna show you the new things that I picked up. I didn't really have a chance to go through them. Wanna show you guys a bunch of new stuff that I got from Target and from Amazon. Perfect for those of you that are moving into your own apartment for the first time. Give you guys some ideas. So subscribe down below, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.